Big language models are powerful, but they're expensive to store and to run. In this video we'll look at Mixture of Recursions, a 2025 design that makes one small set of layers do the work of many. We'll cover the problem, the two ideas it combines, how it works, the code, and when it helps. First, the problem. A transformer's cost comes from two things: the number of parameters it stores, and the amount of compute it spends on every single token. Bigger models mean more memory and more math, and they treat an easy word exactly like a hard one. Mixture of Recursions blends two older tricks. Parameter sharing: instead of many different layers, reuse one shared block again and again, which shrinks the model. And adaptive compute: spend more steps on hard tokens and fewer on easy ones, instead of a fixed depth for all. So here's the core idea. Take one shared block of layers and loop a token through it several times. That's the recursion. Then add a tiny router that decides, per token, how many loops it needs. Easy tokens exit early, hard tokens go around more. Let's trace it. A token enters the router. The router assigns it a recursion depth. The token passes through the shared block, comes back, and loops again, up to its assigned depth. When it's done, it exits. One block, reused, with different effort per token. The router is the brain. It scores each token and picks how deep to go. A common word like the might take one pass, a tricky word that needs reasoning takes 3 or 4. The model learns this routing during training, with no hand tuning. There's a bonus. Because tokens share the same block, the key value cache can be organized by recursion step. Tokens that exit early stop filling the cache, so Mixture of Recursions also cuts memory and speeds up generation, not just parameters. Why it's a win? Versus a standard transformer of the same quality, it uses far fewer unique parameters because the block is reused. It spends compute only where it's needed. And it trains and serves with less memory thanks to smarter caching. In code the spirit is simple. You have one shared block, a router that outputs a depth for each token, and a loop that keeps recursing a token until it hits its depth. The same weights run on every iteration. How does it compare? Mixture of Experts adds many parameters but uses few per token. Mixture of Depth skips layers to save compute. Mixture of Recursions reuses one block and varies how many times each token loops, saving both parameters and compute at once. So, when does it matter? When you want strong quality on a tight memory and compute budget, on device, high traffic serving, or efficient pre-training. Recap: share one block, loop it, and let a router spend effort only where it's needed. Follow for more simple AI explainers.